Guys, welcome back. So today's video I'll be doing a sleek low puff on my natural hair. So if you are new here, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video. Let's jump straight into the video. Let's go. So first I'll take out my African thread. So this is what I use to stretch my natural hair. So if you want to know how I stretch my natural hair, I have a video on my channel, so check it out. I'll sprinkle a little water on my hair to make it very soft. So I will divide my hair into two. My Gorilla Snot Gel. I'll use head wrap to cover my hair. So this is my sleek low puff. Comment and let me know what you think about this hair. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe on your way out if you are new here. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Killer of your own heart. If you treat me kinda, kept me close, but will we still part? Isn't easy with me.